In continuation of my journey to South America and hiking through the Amazon rainforest, I decided to immerse myself in a tribal community and try one of their traditional dishes. Before watching this video, I kindly ask you to subscribe to my channel and join me on my adventures to unknown places around the world. According to the plan, I had to hike approximately 30 kilometers, enjoying the beauty of the surroundings and the event along the way. To start, I crossed the Napo River on a travita, which provided a beautiful and inspiring experience. To reach the tribe, I had to pass through a pristine lagoon, where I encountered my first close-up view of a river whale or Paiche. The Paiche is an authentic Amazonian fish that can reach length of 4 to 5 meters and weigh over 200 kilograms. It's a beloved fish among fishermen and a significant food source for the indigenous community of the Amazon. After crossing the lagoon, I faced a challenging trek ahead, with hot and humid weather making it difficult to breathe.
Let's go.
However, a lovely little companion joined me, and we chatted along the way for hours. Sometimes I wanted to escape its grasp, but it was impossible as it clung to me. I was afraid of leaving its natural habitat.
Look at this. Vamos. Let's go.
In the case, every encounter has its farewell, and eventually I had to part ways and continue towards the tribe. I was supported to try my dish there.
Ciao. 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 Bye bye. Ciao.
Ñapapuntas cara pagrachuni, ñukanchik kay ayllullakta shiripuno, CTC shiripuno, ñukanchik kay mayto atallpa rangaranchik, ña? Churanchik kasna, chay churangaranchik atallpa. ¿Ya? Kay pangallarami ñukanchiraqa mishkirakun, mana ima tunos churanchik, ima sabor mana, pangallara sabor da kun. Mishki panga an, kay mishki panga kasnarasha, kasna maytushami, ñukanchik kasna kawsashkanchik. Ña, shuk maytu de pollo lukchiwni, ña. Yeah. Chayre chinallara kasna ichawa maytus kasnallara ranchi. Yeah. Ashka pagrachu kan shamushkamanda kayma ñukanchik comunidad visitashkamanda shiripuno ayllullakta ashkarami kanda recibinka. Ashka pagrachu. Aquí tiene el sabor, la hoja tiene el sabor. Y aquí vamos a ubicar en el plato. Ya tenemos nuestro compañero que va a ubicar la porción de arroz, yuca, ensalada. La ensalada. Yuca, limón.
Ahora está listo.
Todo es fresco. Este es el plato típico de aquí de la comunidad. Y usted va a servir eso. Buen provecho.
Gracias.
Sírvase, buen provecho.
Gracias. Gracias.
Yo le traigo ayucita.
Maito. Tilapia, yuca, ensalada, arroz, rice, and lemon. Okay. That's the case. So salty.
Guayusa.
Thank you so much. Guayusa.
La bebida de aquí. Guayusa.
It's good.
Buen provecho.
Thank you so much.
Sírvase.
Gracias.
Well, thank you all for watching this video and being my companions on this journey. I'm sure there are many more adventures ahead, and I kindly ask you to stay with me.